Hey folks, I just got info that they denied Jeffrey Epstein his bail. Hang on. God, I have so many technical problems lately. It's just ridiculous. Be quiet, be quiet. You be quiet. Hang on.
To face a judge in New York City today. He's set to appear in court for a bail hearing after being charged with child sex trafficking.
Epstein's lawyers want him released under house arrest until trial, but prosecutors argue he's a flight risk. Epstein is accused of sexually abusing dozens of girls, some of them as young as 14 years old. CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman is here to walk us through this case. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
So, Ricky, this hearing was...
All right, so he's begging for house arrest. That's according to CBS News. That was 40. His hearing, I think, was at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time over here. And 41 minutes ago, CBS put that on here that they are put out rather that they are trying to push for house arrest, but he's a huge flight risk. But Washington Post, an hour ago, it says, posted,
is this really going to be my life? What if this doesn't go away?
Right. Jeffrey Epstein denied bail in sex trafficking case, will remain jailed pending trial. That was exactly 1 hour ago at 11 o'clock. It says live video coverage, but again, I don't want to show you this crap because I'm going to get a copyright strike. But you can go to the Washington Post, because I've been up since 5, and I've been waiting for this day to see if they're going to release him. It says millionaire and registered sex offender Jeffrey Epstein will remain in jail while he awaits trial on new allegations that he sexually abused children. A federal judge ruled Thursday, which is today. I really, truly don't even think he's even in there. I really don't. I don't even think he's in that jail. And I think they got El Chapo out really soon. All right, so 26 minutes. Here we go. 26 minutes ago, Jeffrey Epstein denied bail. Will remain jailed pending trial on sex trafficking charges. That came from the Washington Post. Like I said, that was 26 minutes ago. I've been trying to find out what time his court was, but I couldn't figure it out. U.S. District Judge Richard M. Berman announced the decision at a hearing, siding with prosecutors after they and defense attorneys traded argument for more than a week about whether Epstein could be released to some sort of home confinement. Fuck that, man. Come on. I find that the government has established dangers to others and to the community by clear and convincing evidence, Berman said. The judge cited as reasons for his decisions evidence that Epstein had missed required sex offender check-ins and the sexually explicit photos investigators just recovered from his home after his arrest, and the compelling testimony of two women who alleged his abuse as children. Two women showed up there. Annie Farmer and Courtney Wild showed up, and they're like, "Are you kidding? You can't let this guy run." I doubt that any bail package can overcome danger to the community, Berman said, and adding that he will post a written decision on the matter Thursday afternoon. So, yeah, he was arrested in Teterboro. Again, you can't come to New Jersey. You're going to get arrested. It's just the deal. You walk down the street, you get arrested. It's crazy around here. The cops rule. It's definitely a police state. So, yeah, it goes on and on about his home. He's got a place in Paris that he was just actually flying in from. That's when he came into Teterboro. I followed his flight pattern. And he was coming in from Paris where he bought this beautiful, it was the 4th richest residency in the world. Yeah, I'm not kidding. He was about ready to set himself up fat. Like, what's that other guy? Whatever. Alright, so USA came into it. Wait. So if his court date was at 11, how did USA come in 2 hours ago? See, this is what I'm saying, man. This is what I'm saying. His court date was at 11, right? How is it 2 hours ago, which would be 10 o'clock? Yeah, not 9:47, USA wrote that he was denied bail. Wow. Yeah, you might want to check that out. They jumped the gun on that one. That it's almost like these people. It's not about what's truth. It's about who came in first. But yeah, USA jumped on that, and I don't even think he was in court yet. All right, thanks for listening.